Hello, welcome. This is Unheard, a space for people who have felt unheard, ignored, or like their voice never really mattered. अनहर्ड एक ऐसा स्पेस है जहाँ आपको परफेक्ट होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, जहाँ आपको अपनी फीलिंग्स किसी को जस्टिफाई नहीं करनी एंड यू डोंट हैव टू बी pretend to be okay. You can just be honest. Be yourself here. I've been thinking for a long time about it starting something like this. And honestly, I kept delaying it. Not because I didn't want to, but because I didn't know. I didn't know if I was ready. I was ready to say things out loud. Because sometimes it's easier to stay silent than to explain what you are really feeling and what is going on inside your mind all the time. And you know, जब ऐसा समय आ जाता है और फिर लाइफ में एक पॉइंट आता है जब साइलेंस बोलने से ज़्यादा हैवी लगने लगती है. जिंदगी में ऐसे मोमेंट्स आते हैं जब सब कुछ नॉर्मल लगता है, बट इनसाइड देयर आर थिंग्स you have never really said out loud. Not because you don't have words, but because you don't feel safe enough to say them. And that's the hardest part. When you have something to say, but you know there is no space to say it. There is no one who can really listen and understand without judging us. You know, बाहर से लोग ठीक लगते हैं. They smile, they show up everywhere, they laugh, they even pretend to be okay. But inside, they feel unheard. कभी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती है. Being interrupted, not being taken seriously, and slowly you start holding yourself back because somewhere you start feeling like, what's the point? What's the point in saying everything to anyone? And there are women, especially homemakers, who give everything, but no one really asks, what are you feeling? Are you okay? क्या तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए? तुम ठीक तो हो ना? And there are men who carry a different kind of silence. They work, they provide, they handle everything, but don't express what they feel. And then there are young kids, students, teenagers they are surrounded by people but still feeling completely alone. Moments where they feel nobody really understands me and they keep it inside because they fear if they speak up, they might be judged. And that feeling of being alone, even when you are not, trust me, that's real. There are also parents who spend their whole life doing everything for their children. But now, in their own house, in their own phase of life, when they need them, they feel alone. Not because they don't have people, but because they don't feel heard anymore. And that silence is just as heavy, and over time, all of this becomes silence. And that silence becomes heavier than the problem itself. That's why this space exists unheard. It's not about perfection. It's not about success. It's about being real. Even if your thoughts are incomplete, that's okay. You don't have to prove anything here. You can just say. You can just say it. You can stay anonymous. You can share a little, or you can just listen. Because sometimes being heard once can make things feel lighter. If you have ever felt ignored or misunderstood, or like your voice doesn't matter, then this space is for you. And if you're not ready to speak yet, that's okay. Just being here with me is enough. That is just the beginning. Welcome to Unheard. और अगर आप ये सुन रहे हैं और आपके अंदर भी कुछ है जो आपने कभी किसी को प्रॉपरली नहीं बताया, कुछ ऐसा जो आप बस कैरी करते आए हो महीनों से, सालों से, then maybe you don't have to carry it alone anymore. अगर आप शेयर करना चाहते हैं then you can. जिस तरीके से भी आप चाहें, जितना भी आप कंफर्टेबल हैं, मैं सुनूंगी, सच में सुनूंगी, without interrupting, without judging, without trying to fix you. मैं सिर्फ सुनूंगी. और अगर आप भी अभी मेरे जैसे रेडी नहीं हो तो वो भी बिल्कुल ठीक है. कभी कभी बोलने से पहले सिर्फ किसी को सुनना ही इनफ होता है. You can just stay here with me and listen, बिना किसी प्रेशर के. और ये स्पेस कहीं नहीं जा रहा. जब भी आप रेडी हो, you can come back. डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में होंगी जहां आप अपनी स्टोरी शेयर कर सकते हैं. But only when you feel ready. तब तक you don't have to explain yourself to anyone not here. यहाँ आप बस हो सकते हैं जो आप हैं. आपको कुछ नहीं बनना, आपको किसी को नहीं दिखाना, आपको कुछ प्रूव नहीं करना, यहाँ आपको कोई जज नहीं करेगा, एंड दैट इज इनफ। वेलकम टू वन।